How's it going, guys? This is Chris Holdreed for chrissworkshop72.com, and I am here to show you how to create your own graphics and thumbnails for YouTube. So stay tuned, and we will show you how to do that, and even better as it is for free. So hang on out, take a look at this video, and we're going to get you squared away so you got some great graphics. Alright guys, so here's what I did is I hopped over to Pixabay. It's a great place that offers free images for use for commercial. And so I've gone ahead and I've already downloaded this image. And we're going to hop over to another screen. I really like using the Pixlr program. It works fantastic. Another nice thing about it is it has an auto add-in for the Google Chrome browser. And by doing the add-in, it'll give you a little icon up there that you can click on, and it'll open anytime you want it. So what we're going to do is, first things first, we're going to go ahead and we are going to create a new layer, and we're going to open the images of that hammer by layer. So I've got it in my download folder, click on open, and it'll take just a moment. There it is. And then what we want to do is we really don't want it that large, so let's go ahead and we're going to shrink it down. So you want to go down to the transform, and it's going to give you all your grab boxes, and then we can just go ahead and grab onto it and shrink it down to the size or to a size that we want. Now I'm going to move it on over as soon as the computer catches up here. And one a little bit bigger. There we go. Something that's going to fill quite a bit of the screen and make it to where it really grabs people's attention. So now I can go in and throw some text in. Yes, I do want to apply my change. And let's come up with something interesting and creative. Here's what I'm trying to do. And one of the things you want to keep in mind is white space is a good thing, and using black lettering also works well, but the eye is also caught by primary colors. So I'm going to switch this over to blue. We're going to run with blue on this one. And for a lot of my stuff, I like to use the Comic Sans. Doesn't allow me to make this bold. However, it does give you other options so you can change your sizes and everything. Keep in mind that this image is going to go on the screen, so you want to make it as big as you possibly can. Change that to 90. Make it. We'll go ahead and plug that in down here. And we adjusted that. And one of the other things that I like to do is I like to rotate my text and stuff. The eye tends to follow diagonals. So what I want to do here, and sometimes they'll get a little temperamental, is if you want to rotate your text, you got to turn the layer into a raster. There you go, rasterize the layer. And then what that does is that it takes away the ability to modify the text itself, but what it does is it allows you to do the free transform on it. Now we're looking for the rotate right there, so I'm going to just pull that up a little bit, and then we'll slide it up here. Now that this is also an image, you can just grab your control boxes there, or your grips, and tweak it to the size that you want it. You can exaggerate the text a little bit, make it look a little bit more odd, more attention grabbing. So we're going to put it right about there. And we'll put in a call for action. And I also like using power colors like orange. And again, we'll rasterize the layer. Do our free transform. And then all you have to do is hop over, click on save. Now you can use the Pixel Cloud, you can also save it directly to your computer. And I like to go with the larger files so I get my better quality. And we'll click OK. And I put all my videos onto a jump drive, so we'll hop on over here. And that's that. It'll change your screen up, tell you that your image is saved, and you're good to go. You can use this for doing banners, business cards, you know, your thumbnails, pretty much anything that you're looking to create a graphic for, you can do with this method.